Go to Indicators tab and search for AlphaTrend, and you will see indicator from Kıvanç Özbilgiç. Click to add your chart. And the second indicator is Donchian Trend Ribbon, and you will see indicator from Donchian Blue, and that's it. That's the only two indicators we need in this chart. Now setup is ready. Let's jump back to chart to learn best way of using this strategy. And now let's talk about the rules. Rules are very simple. We have two indicators, one for the confirmation and one for the signal. Now let's see what we got here. We got a sell signal here, as you can see, and after we got any signal, we will go and look Donchian Trend Ribbon if that's confirm us or not. How we can understand the confirmation is it needs to be red color to sell position and green color for buy position. That's it. So in this specific example, we got a sell signal here, and we got also red from the Donchian Trend Ribbon, and that means that we can enter a short position. It's good to go, and we set our time frame 30 minutes for demonstration purposes, but you can use it on 5 minutes, you can use it on 10 minutes, or even one day you can use this trading setup. So we got our first signal here, and we will keep our position until we get an opposite signal. So for this example, we entered a short position and we keep our position until we receive buy signal, so which is here. We exited here and we got buy signal, so we will change our position to buy, or what? Now we will see that we got a buy signal, and Donchian Trend Ribbon, we see that it confirms it, so we jump in the position and we will carry our position until we get a sell signal. So we didn't get any signal yet, so it's good to go. We will keep on carrying, and we are now sitting on 6.5% pure profit. So this setup is really easy, and you can see that it's getting so much high accuracy signal. And this is another example. We got buy signal here, and we carry our position until we got a sell, and again 3% profit, and we enter the position because we got a confirmation from the Donchian Trend Ribbon, and we got a sell signal just before that, but we didn't enter. Why? Because Donchian Trend Ribbon was green, so there was no confirmation, and that's the reason why we are not taking the short position. So you have to get a confirmation with the signal. That's the only rule. And another important thing is, if you are a beginner, this is very important, and it's totally okay to be beginner. You need to wait until the bar close to get the signal and confirmation, because in the the time frame, it can change to sell to buy or green to red. It can happen to all indicators, because unless the bar close, we did not take any position and any signals. So after the bar closes, we look for signal, we look for confirmation, and we enter the position. And for the take profit, as I said, we will carry our position until the signal from the AlphaTrend changes. And for the stop loss, it's very easy. I use this a lot. I always use a recent support or resistance line, because this is the most powerful stop loss for me, and I strongly suggest you use that also, and never go in position without stop loss. That's very important. So that was all for this strategy. I hope you like it. Test it out yourself, and this works perfectly in stock market and forex market, and I believe it should also work with the crypto market, but you should check it out by yourself. Next week I will show you another great strategy, so hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss any of my videos. Until the next time, see you soon.